Hey guys, what's up? This is Evie and welcome back. So in this video, I'll be doing an update on the nail drill or e-file that I use. So I got this nail drill from Amazon, but the drill bit that you see here is a medium grit safety bit from Poochie's Nails. So these are clips from the unboxing video. I will link that down below if you guys are interested in seeing that. But yeah, it was wrapped pretty nicely. This is how everything came packed, and it did come with a foot pedal, but I don't use that. And then of course the handpiece. And it did come with some drill bits as well. So I've had this nail drill for about 2 months now, and I've been using it exclusively for 2 months. So as you can see, this is where the controls are. And in the back here is where you choose between the handpiece and the foot pedal. And then on the bottom you have protected feet and then the vent and all that good stuff. Alright, so as far as the handpiece, I really like the weight of it. It's made of some type of metal, probably aluminum, but it's weighted, but it's not heavy, if that makes sense. Alright, so one of the top questions I've had when people bought this is, how do you turn this thing on? So you want to make sure that you flip the on switch here, and you're going to see this green light come on. And also on the back, you want to make sure it is flipped to the H, which is for the handpiece. And then once you turn the dial, then it will power on. Alright, so I'm going to be taking off my bacon nail. Yes, I said bacon nail. If you guys didn't see this video, I will link it down below. Some people were pretty butthurt about this. It's like, come on now, I'm just having fun here. Don't take it personal. But anyway, so I'm gonna be taking this off. So I got my nail drill set for a high speed, and we are just going to sand off this bacon. And the nail dust collector that I use, I picked that up from AliExpress, and I will leave a link down below, and also the unboxing video if you guys want to see that as well. So yeah, like I said, I've been using this nail drill for 2 months and I have not had any problems. I actually like it better than the portable one that I was using, because this one is much quieter and I feel like it's more powerful as well. And it also has a slower speed. Like if I'm just wanting to work with cuticle bits and stuff like that, it has a very low speed as well, which I like. But most importantly, it does not vibrate as much as my portable one does, and it's also much quieter. So yeah, you guys can pick up different drill bits that you use and, you know, use them with this drill. It's no problem. Like I said, this one is a medium grit safety bit that I got from Poochie's Nails, and I will link that down below as well. Yeah, this was just a quick update. I still like the nail drill. I still use it still works. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below. This is available through Amazon, so the shipping is really fast. I hope this video was helpful. Head over to lawncareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one.